Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about lytic and lysogenic cycle. Actually these are the two type of cycle which are performed by virus on the bacteria. Most bacteriophage are either virulent or temperate. Now we will see what is the difference between virulent and temperate bacteriophages. A virulent phase is one that has only one option: to begin multiplication immediately upon entering its bacterial host, followed by release from the host by lysis. Means virulent phages, as soon as they enter the bacterial cell, they start to divide and then they come out of the cell by lysis of the cell. Example of virulent phase is T4. T4 phase is an example of the bacteria which is virulent phase. Now second is temperate phase. Temperate phase have two options. Upon entry into host cell, they can multiply like virulent phase and lysis the host cell, or they can remain within the host without destroying it. Means temperate phase can perform both of the function. Either they can enter the host cell, do their multiplication and then do the lysis of the cell, or they can remain within the host without destroying it. Means they integrate their genome into the genome of bacterial cell. And at last the temperate phase also do the lysis of the cell after some time. Then the example of the bacteria which is temperate is bacteriophage lambda. Now we will discuss about some of the terms which are used. First is lysogeny. What is lysogeny called? The relationship between a temperate phase and its host is called lysogeny. Means the relationship which is going on between the temperate phase. Now temperate phase, what was the temperate phase here? Which integrates its genome, either it can lysis the cell or not lysis the cell. Hence the relationship between the temperate phase and the host is called lysogeny. And second term is prophase. What is prophase called? Prophase is simply the viral nucleic acid either integrated into the bacterial chromosome or free in the cytoplasm. Means the nucleic acid of the viral which is integrated in the chromosome of the bacteria, or it's simply lying in the cytoplasm, is called prophase. Now we will discuss about lysogenic bacteria or lysogens. Now we will see the term lysogens, or it is also called lysogenic bacteria. Basically lysogenic bacteria is the bacteria which is infected. This is a term to the given to the bacteria which is infected. Lysogenic bacteria reproduce and in most other way appear to be perfectly normal. However, they have two distinct characteristics. Means the characteristic which is present in the lysogenic bacteria. The first is that they cannot be reinfected by the same virus. Means once a bacteria infected by the virus have immunity toward that infection, so it cannot be reinfected by that virus. The second characteristic is that they reproduce. The prophase is replicated and inherited by progeny cell. Second characteristic explained that once a viral genome is incorporated into the bacterial cell, then its genome will be replicated and inherited to the progeny cells. This can continue for many generations until condition arises that cause the prophase to initiate synthesis of phage protein and to assemble new virions, a process called induction. Now through the diagrammatic view we will see the two different cycles, that is lytic and lysogenic cycle. First let's talk about lytic cycle. Here the bacteriophage injects its DNA into the cytoplasm of the bacterial cell. Phage's DNA direct the synthesis of many new phages. Means viral genome does not incorporate into the bacterial genome. It started the replication and direct the cell to synthesize many new phages. then cell lysis and release of new phases take place, and again the cycle begin. The new phase can bind to the bacterial cell. The new bacteriophage which are made, they start infecting the other bacterial cell. Second, we will see the lysogenic cycle. It start with the same, that is infection of bacteriophage into the bacterial cell. The main thing which is different from the lytic cycle is phase DNA integrate into the host chromosome. Means in lysogenic cycle, the genome of the virus is incorporated into the genome of the bacterial cell, and the important term prophase is used here. Prophase, what is prophase? When the viral genome is incorporated into the bacterial genome, or it is simply lying into the cytoplasm, it is called prophase. Prophase DNA is copied when cell divides. Here you can see viral genome is copied. Exposure to the stress such as UV light trigger excision from the host chromosome. Some of the stress are the reason for the excision from the host chromosome of the viral genome. Then again its lysogenic cycle repeats itself. So this is the explanation of lytic and lysogenic cycle through the diagrammatic view. I hope you understand well.